In this chapter, we will learn how to insert a form into our app. To do this, we'll take our content from Typeform, a platform that specializes in creating ultra-personalizable forms. To integrate it into our app, we'll need to add another HTML module where we'll insert the code fragment of the form we'll create there. In this course, we will not explain how to create a form in Typeform, but how to bring it to your app. We have already created our own form. We'll log into our account, select it, and access the area called Share. Adding the form to our app is as simple as downloading it at the bottom of the screen. And here, in What Else Can You Do?, we select Embed in a web page. We click on Discover this feature to access a new screen. Here, we move from the standard view screen to the full page view. Select Get the Code and copy the complete code. It's time to go back to our HTML module created to show the form and paste it again in JavaScript editor. Enter a name, like test, and save. We check that everything has loaded correctly. As you can see, we have included personal questions with multiple answers and with boxes to be filled in by the user. In so doing, we have managed to insert a form into our app. Whenever we want to edit its content, we can do so without having to update the application, but simply by going to our Typeform account.